Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to show you why making car stickers is a great business. And we're going to make car decals for a company that we have worked in the past before. But what makes this video special, you may wonder? Well, there are two reasons. And the first reason is to show you how much money you can make from such a little scrap of vinyl. Because for this project, we will use a piece of vinyl that measures 38 by 24 inches, and the profit was excellent. And the second reason is to show you how much the competition will charge for the exact same project. And what we found out was amazing and shocking. And I'm pretty sure that you guys are gonna be surprised too, because we went to two different locations and got two different prices. But that'll be for part 2 of this episode. So make sure you turn on your notification bell to be notified when we upload part 2. Or if you watch after the premiere, watch until the end of this video and you'll get the link. So for today's project, we're gonna use the Graphtec. And as we have mentioned many times, if you wanna do bigger projects and you don't have to deal with, doing the bottom part then the top part, which you can still do with the small vinyl cutter, the Cameo. If you can get the 24-inch vinyl cutter like the Pro, you can do that too. And for the vinyl, the Oracle 651 and the transfer, the Arte Clear Choice 8075. Yeah, that's the project, and Saul is about to send it to the cutter.
It's gonna be black, but you could see on the screen that I used the blue color, but I mean it doesn't really make any difference because we get to choose the type of vinyl that we use with the vinyl cutter. So in the end, I made it a little bit bigger since the vinyl measures, it's a 24-inch vinyl. I decided to add a few less than an inch, so it's like in the end it's gonna be a little bit over 22, like less than 23 wide. I'm talking about the decal. So and we also added some weeding boxes, as you already know. I don't know if we've mentioned them, but
all right, so Saul is gonna start weeding out, and we're gonna show you why we always recommend that you add your weeding boxes. And this is the reason why, because it makes the weeding process much easier. And as you watching, Saul is doing this by himself. I mean, it's not a super big decal, but still, it has letters and fonts and shapes. So this is more convenient when you are weeding out by yourself, so that way you focus on one area then on the other one. And yeah, this is all the material we're gonna use for the truck. And this little piece, how much would you say, Saul, is our investment here?
let's just say less than $10. Yeah,
plus the gas, another what, $10, so like $15.
Yeah,
our investment, and we charge them $250. So yeah, there's a lot of potential there. This is why we love making car decals, because the investment is not as much, and if the customer approves the project, we can do it right away. And yeah,
with this design in particular, as you mentioned in the intro, this is not the first time that we work with him, so we didn't really have to do anything to the logo. I saved the measurements and everything, and pretty much just send it to the cutter, and that's it. Didn't spend any time.
Yep, and easy money, guys. This is probably the only thing that he customized was the numbers, since it's a different truck. But
no, it's the same.
It's the same.
Yeah,
oh, okay.
Same
I guess they keep the same.
Yeah.
I don't know how that works, but anyway, so we're gonna apply the transfer, and yeah, we're gonna head out soon. But I think we're gonna have some to eat first.
Yeah, I'm getting hungry.
This is how we usually apply the transfer, but if you don't have extra help like we do, you can get the application rollers that we mention a lot. This can help you apply your own transfer if you work alone. Okay, so this is how we got our calculation. We're gonna use our decal calculator, and we spend around $2 for every square foot of material. That's our investment, and we multiply it times 2, so it comes up to $4. And the square footage that we used for this project was approximately 6 square foot of material. Our labor fee per hour is $150, and we calculated around an hour and a half of labor Our complexity fee, it's only 10%, since this is gonna be a simple project, and there's no setup fee because we already have the artwork for this project and the customer. Additional fees $20 because we had to drive to the customer. So the calculator tells us that we should charge around $291.50, but we only charge $250 because this is a returning customer. Again, this is personal. It's up to you what you want to do with your pricing. All right, so we just passed a traffic jam, but it wasn't bad. It was like a 10-minute wait. I guess that comes with the job, so but I'd rather still deal with this than have to worry about waking up really early in the morning, because as I said before, I used to be a server and I hated that job. So I'd rather still do this. All right, I think that's the truck that we're gonna work on right now. So he mentioned that there were some stickers from a previous company, so we're good thing we brought the goof off, and that's why we always recommend that you have your kit with all the equipments and stuff ready for you, so that way you never forget your rapid tag, your equipment. And I will show you. Nacho, we're gonna need to clean with the goof off first. All right, so Nacho has the goof off there and he's gonna spray some. We're gonna wait for it to take effect. And after we clean the surface and remove the adhesive, we need to clean with rapid tag. So the customer never told us about the old sticker and the adhesive, but since we only removed the adhesive and it wasn't so bad, we did not charge extra. But let's say that we have to deal with something like this, that we will definitely charge $130 per hour for removing all stickers and removing the adhesive. All right, he's gonna clean with, after he removed the adhesive, he's gonna clean with some rapid tag. And then we're gonna work on applying the decal. I recommend you guys to get your toolkit and always have everything there ready. So that way, if you get something sudden like this project, then you're ready to go. And you can get all the equipments and the materials in the links below on this video or on the description. We're gonna use, of course, blue tape and the cutting knife. We're gonna do the installation the way we usually do. We're gonna use a cutting knife, cut in the middle, then apply on the bottom part, then focus on the upper side. And this is one of the things that we don't like from too hot. It sticks to the paper like super fast. As long as you use the high tack, the AT75, you shouldn't have much problems removing it from the paper. But now we're gonna do this dry application as you're watching. After you secure your decal, make sure you squeeze it side to side as Saul is doing it here, and do it not too fast, not too slow. Just do it with confidence, and this will prevent leaving too many bubbles on your sticker. Now we're gonna remove the transfer, and even though it was dry application, we still remove it carefully because this is a high tack transfer, so be very careful when you remove it. After this, we're gonna do the other side. All right, I want to show you guys, I don't see any bubbles. The way Saul used the squeegee, that's the best way for you to avoid bubbles. So our investment was barely $10, and we made $240 in only 1 hour of labor. It is amazing what you can do with a little scrap of vinyl. And for our next episode, we're gonna go to 2 different locations and find out how much the competition will charge for this exact same project using a different design. You see the wire? Nope. All right, let's go. So make sure you turn on your notification bell because our next episode will be about price research and comparing our prices with the competition. And even us were shocked on all the information that we got from those two locations. And I'm sure that you will be surprised too. And the point of that video is so that way you get an idea of how much you can also charge for your decal projects if you use our decal calculator and if you are one of our gold memberships. So make sure you don't miss that episode.
Well, guys, this is it for this episode. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and you can get all the equipment that we mentioned below on the links on the first comment or on the description. Here's the Team RDI. We hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some new tips. And yeah, we will see you again on the next episode. Anything to add, guys? Thank you very much for all your support. Thank you, guys. See you.